Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I also wanted to update you guys on my big C position. And I have been thinking about selling my big C position just to kind of get back into swing trading and, really, really start actually being actively trading and stuff, I do. That's my wife, for just ignore those texts. Um, what is it called? I do have some calls that I sold like about a month ago where I think I picked up like what 15 almost 2 grand off of these calls that I sold. So I am hoping, or I'm kind of crossing my fingers that big C ends this week at $75 or under, right? If not, all my whole thing is going to be basically called out. So I really want big C to end the week under 75 bucks, so my all my shares don't get called out and I don't have to sell anything, right? And then more than likely I'll probably sell more calls on big C probably about another week or so, a week or two out, dependent on where I think price is going. But I have been thinking on selling, diversify a little bit more on my like positions, not really diversify, but more start swing trading and be more active on my on what I actually put out for my TA and stuff. But yeah, still holding. I actually used to hold about 440 shares of big C, I think, but I actually sold around 40 shares to get into other positions. But yeah, as of right now, total market value is right now about what, $32,000, $32,500. So still holding this position. Just wanted to update you guys on big C because I know I had a lot of people asking me about my big C position, where I think it's going. So I'll probably still make another TA for this. We did create a lower low, so I do think we're actually going to end the week closer to the $70 mark. But we'll see till the end of the week, and then we'll kind of go from there.